Google Analytics Intelligence monitors your website's traffic to detect significant changes and creates an alert when something important happens on your site. It can help you discover insights that might otherwise go unnoticed. There are two kinds of alerts: automatic in green and custom in blue. Automatic alerts happen on their own, without any input from you. Custom alerts are triggered based on conditions you want Google Analytics to watch for. Wherever you see a bar, that means there was at least one alert on that date. Let's look at February 5th. There's an alert for a big spike in visits from TechCrunch. Ordinarily, we'd expect between 0 and 220 visits, but on this day there were over 1,900 visits. If we go over to the TechCrunch site, it turns out that TechCrunch did a story on these new Google scarves that are being sold in the Google Store. This referral traffic would have been easy to miss, but the alert flagged it. Click this button and we can look at just the traffic from TechCrunch. This was clearly just a one-time spike. Ordinarily, we only get a handful of visits. The Importance slider lets you view just the most significant alerts, or, by setting it to low, all the alerts that Google Analytics created. The slider doesn't affect how Google Analytics creates alerts. It's just a way for you to view fewer or more alerts in the report. If you've linked your Google Analytics account with an AdWords account, you'll also get automatic alerts from AdWords. For example, Analytics might signal an alert if a click-through rate for a campaign increases unexpectedly. With a custom alert, you tell Google Analytics what to watch for, and Google Analytics alerts you when it happens. Let's look at how we'd create an alert. Here, we're creating an alert that looks at traffic from a specific campaign. And tells us if the bounce rate suddenly increases. This kind of alert could let us know of a problem with the campaign. It might signal, for example, that a key landing page accidentally was changed in the middle of the campaign. With the email option, we can be notified of the alert right away. And we can even be notified via text message. Another example would be to signal when the weekly revenue from the campaign reaches a certain level. For that, we could set up a weekly alert with a revenue threshold. That's an overview of analytics intelligence. Thanks for listening.